The project you see behind me, is it a new build or a single story to two-story conversion? It's a single story to two-story conversion. That is right. If you look, you'll see a lot of walls have been taken down. Why is that? When you are installing the subfloor and when you look at the framing, which is the 2x4s or 2x6s, we notice there's a lot of rotten wood underneath. Where does the rotten wood come from? If you look at the previous videos that we've shared on our social media channels, you'll see a lot of moisture was built up because of the poor foundation issues underneath. So what we did was we went ahead and replaced those subfloors, and we're going to be reframing on top of the new subfloor. But then again, why do we have some of the walls up? Well, here's a reason why. In the city of San Jose or Santa Clara County, if you remove more than 50% of those walls, you will be having a lot more higher permit fees, taxes. You have to comply to the new construction building codes, the green codes. It's a whole different category. And what do? Intentionally working with our architect and structural engineer, we made sure that we stayed within the existing zoning limits, existing construction codes. That way we can make sure our clients stay within the budget and they don't go over, they don't have to pay more fees or taxes. So when you choose a construction team, you have to choose a team that kind of understands where you are from a budget perspective, the timeline that you have, and what your true vision is. If you don't, and that's why a lot of reasons, a lot of contractors or builders do not have a good relationship with their clients because the cost keeps going up. And a lot of clients are frustrated with their contractors and builders because they simply don't understand where these costs are coming from. A situation like this, if you're not proactive and you're not thinking outside the box, and if you are not my client, most likely your costs would go up. But at the SOJO team, we are very constructive. We think about all the ins and outs to be really smart with our choices and how we approach things. So in this case, we still stayed under that 50% wall removal, and our clients are still gonna get an amazing end result and product of a single story to double story conversion, and this house is gonna be beautiful. So even though it's a single story to double story conversion, it's pretty much a whole tear down house that we're building for our clients. If you wanna know more, learn more, and see more, please follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team.